I really hope you're enjoying my balloon arts that I'm sharing. So today I'm making balloon bubbles, and this is one basic balloon art that I want to Making this is very simple. I'm going to be using my two sister balloon, a pink one and a balloon pump. That's all. Hi people, my name is Susan and I love all things DIY, craft, lifestyle. You just name it. Welcome to my vlog. To all my OGs, those ones that are giving me the ginger, thank you so much. And for all new viewers, please subscribe, please subscribe. So I'm going to pump this out and I'm going to leave a little of it. I'm not going to pump or inflate it completely. I'm not inflating it completely. I'm going to leave little of it like this, and I'm going to release some air and I'm going to tie it. Then once I've tied it, I'm going to start creating like bubbles. I'll use my hand, just watch the video. It's very simple. Create bubbles and twist the longer part well. Then that bubbles I've created, I'll put it in between my fingers and hold it tight. This way I will not when I'm creating the next bubble, the first one I've created is not going to deflate. So I'm going to hold that first part down, that first one down with in between my fingers, and I'll keep creating more bubbles. Now I want to make sure the bubbles are of the same size. If it's not of the same size, it's going to look awkward. So you want to make sure they're of the same size. And while you keep creating the bubbles, please remember you're holding that first bubble you created. If you leave it, it's going to deflate. So then while you keep creating more bubbles, depending on how long or how plenty you want the bubbles to be, the air is going to push out. So the other part of the balloon that I didn't completely blow out is going to be filled up with air. That's just the magic. Then once you're satisfied with this length of the bubbles, you can now twist them together, like bring the end and the beginning together and twist it. It is very simple. Just twist it like this. It's very simple, and that is just how to create bubbles balloon. So you can use any color of your choice, any shade of your choice. Just play and have fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now so that YouTube can push this video and make it relevant for other people to watch and benefit. Thank you so much for your support. See you in subsequent balloon art videos. Bye bye.